Hello, our team is called Connard, and we built an automated execution system for DAOs powered by AI agents. So our team thought that when it comes to governance, execution is as important as decision making. So you can think of when you voted for some politician because they promised to do something and they get elected and they don't execute what they promised before. So the current DAO systems actually focus on the decision-making process, but actually the execution process is either manual or self-executed. So the problem here is that the decision-making part may be sophisticated and decentralized, but the manual part, the execution part may be manually executed, so it has potential risks of centralization, and what the DAOs decided on the governance decision-making part does not align with the execution part. So to address this problem, we can actually write a predefined smart contract code, and the DAO votes on the smart contract whether to deploy it or not. But the problem here is that we actually have to write a predefined contract for every proposal, and that makes the DAO very rigid. So for the DAO to decide on small things and move flexible, we need a system of AI to execute this proposal. So what we built is a modular system of agents made of many agents that once the DAO passes a new proposal, the AI agents run together to execute DAO's governance. So the advantage of making the system modular is that, first of all, we can decentralize the execution system itself. So we use different base models for each agent, and we can fine-tune them to do specific functionalities. So here, the agent blue writes the draft of the new contract. Agent purple checks if the contract aligns with the DAO's proposal. Agent red checks for potential security issues. Agent green refines the contract. And once this AI decides that this new contract is safe and aligns with the DAO's proposal, it deploys it automatically. So here's a demo of our project. So let me skip a bit because we don't have many time. So we actually made a mini game to demonstrate what the DAO does. So this mini game allows for the user to attack this poor old man. So what it does is, so the user attacks this poor old man, and the DAO decides that this is immoral. So we cast a vote that we shouldn't do this. Right, so we cast a vote, and once this vote is made and the proposal is passed, the AI automatically detects that the proposal is passed, and they start to run the execution part. So it's like a system of agents. So we have many agents talking to each other. Agent blue is writing the new code. Agent purple is checking if the new code aligns with the new proposal. And in the end, the AI, the AI deploys the new code like this. And once it's deployed, we can attack the old man again, and here we can see that the transaction is reverted. So, that's probably it.